I was supposed to turn the camera off, but I accidentally pressed record. The itch. But yeah. My nose always gets blocked when I film a fucking video, I swear.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have done this full glam for you, kind of full, 3/4 full. I decided not to do the lower lash line because I forgot about it, and then I realized that I didn't actually mind it. That natural shadowing down there is just called I Don't Sleep Very Well. So you can get that in like 3 different shades. There's like deep, deeper and deepest, and if you just have really shit sleeping patterns and stuff like that, then it will just develop itself. So I have been requested to do a look like this, so very full coverage foundation. I don't know how it's going to translate on camera or not, but I put a lot of foundation on, especially for me, since I do quite like a much more natural, I guess, editorial style version of makeup / complexion. It's not sitting too bad. I am wearing the Dior Forever Undercover foundation, and that is a very full coverage foundation with a super lightweight anyway, but I did kind of like paint it onto my face with a small concealer brush, so you will see that when we get to it. If you'd like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to start by priming my face with the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. Mouthful. Don't really have a space where I can film from yet, so I'm literally just sitting on my bed. That's why my background is like boring AF. So that's about it. I'm using my tiny little hand mirror once again. I'm just going to prime my eyelids with the Sephora High Coverage Concealer. This brush is really unnecessary. My finger works better. I'm going to go into my Caramel Melange palette, and I'm going to mix these 2 colours together to set on my eyes. Going into the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to take Warm Taupe and brush that through my crease. You know, windscreen wipe motions. Actually, I'm going to take some out of the middle there, because I kind of wanted to do a halo. I'm going to take a bit more of a precise kind of pencil brush, just so I can pop that same colour just in the inner corner. And then I'm going to build that colour up by going into Cypress Umber. So this is like the brown kind of colour at the end of the palette. Because these colours are quite pigmented, we kind of just want to use a smaller brush, take it slow, blend it, make sure you're not like packing too much of it on, because then it's going to be hard to take some off if you've gone too far. I'm going to dip back into the Warm Taupe because I kind of want to make the middle section just a little bit smaller, just so it blends with the copper a little bit better. And I'm going to go into Liquid Center with my finger, because that gives the best application. So I'm going to go over everything else with like warm oranges and things to make it tie in a little bit better. I'm going to go into Realgar, and I'm just going to start to blend that through. And I'm going to go into Red Ochre as well. Just want to see what that does. And I'm going to grab a Precise crease brush, and I'm going to dip back into Cypress Umber. What a weird name. And create the depth. So I'm just using the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara. I used to hate this shit. Now I like it, so go try it out. I'm using the Huda Samantha lashes. So for foundation, I'm going to use the Dior Forever Undercover Foundation, and I'm in the color 30 at the moment. And I was requested to do a very full coverage, so we'll see how this goes. I'm nervous. I just feel like full coverage does not suit my skin. Hi. I think I look super white right now, but I think it's because this foundation gives flashback, because I'm definitely not white in the mirror. Okay, moving on, I'm going to use the Sephora High Coverage Concealer. And blend it out. This is a little less of a tutorial and more of like a Alison, you have to do this look because I told you so. So feel free to not take notes from this video. I'm going to do my brows off camera because I said so. Brows are done. I'm going to bronze now with my Laura Mercier Ritual Bronzer. And we're going to go for the overdraw of the lips today. Tastefully overdrawn, if that's a thing. And now to search for a lip colour. Just a fraction of what I own. Maybe we'll go Flirt today. A little bit more brown than I wanted, but we will go with it. So I'm just using the MAC Copper Tone blush. I'm going to touch a tiny little bit of the Stila Kitten Karma liquid glitter metal eyeshadow foil thing just in the center of the lid. I still haven't done my lower lash line, but I don't hate it. And there you have it. Full glam. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you guys in my next video. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any video suggestions, please put it in the comments below or comment on one of my pictures or whatever on Instagram on what you might want to see on my channel. This was less of a tutorial and more of a watch me put makeup on my face kind of thing. If you do want like tutorial like lessons kind of thing, I will be happy to do that. Just kind of give me pointers on what you would like to see and maybe what you would like to learn yourself, and I will definitely start writing a list of like video ideas so I can, I guess, get a little bit more organized with this and putting content out that you guys want to see. So let me know, I guess, and I'm going to try and get better at this. But so far so good. Second video filmed. Woo! Anyway,